On Friday, the 10th of June 2022, the Meghalaya Police Training School, Shillong, had organized the passing out parade of the first batch of dog squad along with their handlers. These 12 trained dogs will be joining the K-9 squad of the Meghalaya Police. Speaking as chief guest at the event, Meghalaya Director General of Police L.R. Bishnoi lauded the effort of the dog trainers, wherein they have been able to specially train the dogs in handling explosive and narcotics cases.
Stand. Wait.
Stand. Wait.
Stand. Look. Up. Wait.
Look. Up.
Today, the passing out of K-9, the 4 dogs which were recently procured by Meghalaya Police, and after 8 months of rigorous trainings, today passing out parade for K-9 dogs was organized, and they have shown the nice display here. Total 8 dogs were trained, and out of that 4 were recently trained, and we have 12 dogs total, and out of 12 1 is sick, so all other 11 dogs have taken part in today's passing out parade. It was 8-month long trainings, and our handlers, they have done good jobs. You have seen the coordination between the men and dogs. They have understood their behaviors, ethics, skills, everything, and they have done good jobs. And we are sending our 4 more trainers for advanced training at Bangalore, and they will be going to Bangalore on Monday. And after that, we wish that we should procure some more dogs, because there are 12 districts in Meghalaya, and 2-3 dogs are required in every district.